Hi and welcome back at the Even Flow Studios tutorial channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a nose. First we start by making a geometrical sketch. Circle is the top of the nose. Two triangles at both sides are nostrils, and the long lines at the top are the rest of the nose. Now we are drawing a shade and blurring it to make a connection between each part more natural. Use some softer pencils to make a darker shade near nostrils. Now add some shades on the upper part of the nose and blend it to create a realistic curve. I erased pencil a little bit in a circular part to make it look as a light, but you can also use a white pencil. Make a line between nose and cheeks to create a border. Add some few extra dark touches to create more depth in our drawing. You can also make paths between nose and lips and have fun with shadows. You can always erase them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You can leave a like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials.